Hi everyone, this is Michaela from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and today I'll be going over the Raypak 140,000 BTU heat pump, model number 8450. In today's agenda, we'll be going over what is the Raypak 140,000 BTU heat pump and go over its features as well. Diving right on in, this heat pump is a new platform with increased performance and easier maintenance accessibility. This unit is also AHRI certified and listed, which means it's certified under the Air Conditioning, Heating, and Refrigeration Institute. This unit is ideal for any single-family pool installation. Now let's begin going over some of its features, starting with its exclusive Durasteel powder-coated cabinet. With the use of rugged steel construction used by many air conditioner manufacturers, this unit has a fully lowered steel jacket that protects the evaporation coil from debris or harsh weather. Another feature is its quiet operation, which is very popular amongst many pool owners. Within this is a 3-blade swept wing fan, so more air is used over the coil, which translates to greater efficiency, all while staying whisper quiet. It also has a tough composite base. Now let's talk about its scroll compressor. Compared to piston-type compressors, scroll compressors are much more efficient and quiet. Benefits include higher efficiency, lower sound levels, durability, and reliability. The next feature we are going to talk about is its titanium heat exchanger. Within this is a spiral titanium tube. This spiral titanium tube heat exchanger provides a corrosion-free waterway that can resist harsh pool chemistry. The spiral tube has a scoop and lift action that can help reduce deposit buildup and increases efficiency. The next feature we will go over is its digital controls, which perform basic functions, including pool and spa controls. Your digital pool heater can set your pool or spa to a different target temperature, allowing you to set it, then forget it. It also has onboard diagnostics. What this is it's a setting that can identify problems and let you know immediately if something is wrong, while providing the service technician with a detailed diagnostic in real English. Last but not least, let's go over its digital control built-in mini automation. Within this is solar priority control, multi-unit control, 3-way valve control, and a pump control time clock. If you would like to learn more about the Raypak 140,000 BTU heat pump, please visit us online at easytestpools.com. Thank you for watching.